Hey there, I'm George, an AI engineer with over 20 years of experience in the field. I've seen lots of automation tools come and go, but n8n, it's one of the few that actually delivers on its promise of making automation accessible to everyone. Here's the thing, you don't need to be a developer to use n8n. You don't need to understand complex coding or server management. That's exactly why I created this tutorial, to show you how to get n8n running on Railway in less than 10 minutes, even if you've never touched cloud hosting before. Let's get started. Open your browser, type in railway.com, and then press the Enter key. Click the Sign In button at the top of the screen. We'll log in using an email address for this tutorial, so type in your email address and then click the Continue with Email button. A new window will pop up asking us to input the code received by email. Check the spam folder if the email isn't in the inbox. Wait a few seconds and you'll be logged into the platform. The company offers a free plan which is good enough for small apps but won't be enough to host n8n. If you only plan to use a few simple automations, go for the hobby plan. Otherwise, if you plan to have lots of workflows running in parallel and want them to run fast, choose the Pro plan. That's what I use. I chose the hobby plan for this demo. It's good enough for small businesses getting started with AI automation. It's time to create our first project. Click Create a new project and then choose Template from the list. Wait until the templates are loaded and then type in n8n in the search box at the top. There are several options, but we want to choose n8n with workers, created by Jack. Click the template card, click the Deploy button at the bottom of the screen, and then go grab a cup of coffee or tea. The entire process is going to take 1 or 2 minutes. Oh, you are still here. Okay, then let's make good use of that minute. This n8n template is designed for scalability, helping you run many workflows at once without slowing down the web interface. Let's explore what each component does. Postgres is a database that stores your n8n data, workflows, their execution history, credentials, and any other n8n settings you can think of. Without it, you'd have to start over any time you restart n8n, after each update, for example. Redis works like an air traffic controller, managing the queue of the workflows waiting to run and handling real-time communication between services. It knows what jobs need to be processed next and prevents workflows from running multiple times. The worker does the actual work, running the workflows in the background. Redis gives it tasks to fulfill and the worker processes them. You can have multiple active workers, which means that your n8n installation will be able to run multiple workflows in parallel. That's why we chose it. Finally, Primary is the main n8n service we will use to build AI automations. It is connected to all the services we've discussed. Back to our n8n installation. Each service goes online as it is created and activated. When all services are online, click the Primary tab and then click the link at the top of the screen to open your n8n installation. Type in your email, name, and password. Pick a long password that includes numbers, letters, and special characters. Hackers can delete all your workflows or, even worse, can do all sorts of nasty things on your behalf if they discover your password. Choose whether you'd like to receive security and product updates and then click the Next button. n8n will then ask you to fill in a quick form. Do that and then click Get Started. It's time to get your free n8n license key, so hit the Send me a free license key button. Finally, we're inside n8n and your license key is on its way to your inbox. So let's close that message and click the big Start from Scratch button at the top. This is our blank canvas, the home of our future AI automations. We only need to do 1 or 2 more things before starting to use this beginner-friendly AI-powered workflow builder. First, let's head over to the Settings icon, the one in the lower left corner of the screen. Click it and then choose Usage and Plan. Click the Enter Activation Key button and then copy-paste the key you've received by email. Then, click the Activate button. n8n will display a license activated message at the bottom of the screen, and you'll see a registered message at the top of the screen. The second thing you may want to do, still on the Settings tab, is to click Personal, choose the dark theme, and then press the Save button. I hear that most people prefer the dark theme, so who am I to judge? One more thing. n8n is constantly being updated, and it's your job to install these updates, because they add new features, patch security issues, and fix bugs. To do that, go to the Help icon, the one above Settings, and click it. n8n will display a message prompting you to update. You can click the Update button if you want to, but it will send you to the documentation instead of updating n8n for you. The solution is to go to your Railway account, choose Primary, and then click the three dots on the right to open the menu. Select Redeploy and then confirm the operation. If you are on Railway's $5 per month plan, you'll have to wait for about a minute, so let's speed up the video here. You will see the deployment successful message if everything went well. Repeat the process with Worker. Select it, click the three dots on the right side of the screen, choose Redeploy, and then confirm. You will see a similar deployment successful message at the end. But how can we verify that n8n is updated now? Head over to your n8n installation, click the Help icon, and you'll see that the message telling you that your installation is one or more versions behind has disappeared. Additionally, you can click About n8n and you'll see the installed version, which should be the latest available. Congratulations! Your n8n installation is live and ready to go. You've just taken your first step into the world of AI automation. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Now, if you're a business owner thinking, this is great, but I need someone to help me implement this for my specific business, I've got you covered. I offer free consultation calls where we can discuss how AI automation can save you time and increase your profits. No sales pitch, just a genuine conversation about what's possible for your business. The booking link is right there in the description. I'll be creating more tutorials, breaking down complex AI automation concepts into simple, step-by-step guides you can actually follow. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.